Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert normal PDF to fillable PDF form or automatically detect fillable text field on a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. And see this is my PDF file and this field not working. And see this. Now go this form option and here you will find this run from field recognition. Click here and see this and select OK. Now see this, all of this field now detected, and here you can type text and phone number, email, and so on. And see this, all of this field now detected, and select this one, this check box also working, and see this. Yeah, in this way you can detect your fillable text field on your PDF file using this transform field recognition option. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.